while we have the right to rejoin them, we assume that they are keeping quiet means they haven't found the law and they are conceding. It's not law for the law for the law.
Your Worship, first of all, it was us who made the application. We made the application, we rejoined, and we made a response, and we have no right to. We have no right. Attorney for the applicant. Before we proceed with the application, we wish to make one prayer. We pray to have the name, or let's read of the application. Was the typing here to have him on? And actually that's the reason why we never served his counsel to that effect. So faith will remain the application with A1 and A2, that effect. We so pray.
The nature of the application, it is in regards to A1 and A2. Are not free at this time, so that it is necessary for them to read it and advise their counsel. Whether they will instruct them in this matter or other counsel, or whether they intend to oppose or concede. So because they have to see and read, clearly our colleague knows that the matter is not ready to proceed. So we request that we access the accused person so that they can read it and understand and determine what to do. What that might require a standover, because depending on what they decide, to the extent that they decide that they want to oppose it by filing affidavits, then we would need the direction of the court to access them so that they can reform their affidavits. We must be mindful of the fact that the affidavits wouldn't be prepared by the accused persons when in the court, in the prisons. So much so that if they are ready, they have to be read to them, they understand, and then they agree.
So, Counsel, are you asking for a standover?
So that they can read.
How long? Let's go for it so that yeah, but we would seek direction to access them for this purpose. Perhaps what will direct us on
when to file the affidavit, because then to inform the access to the accused persons. Then the affidavit will be my colleague again might say that he has no right to join, shall we have him?
By the nature of this application, it is very, very urgent. That's what
Yes, I had.
yes. So specifically, I wanted to respond to that, Your Worship. From the record, it was filed on 5th. It was filed on 5th. That is Wednesday, this week. And served yesterday, late in the afternoon. They have not explained why they did not file it early, because the accused persons were kidnapped on the 16th of November last year. 16th. Since then, the application has not been filed. Since 16th of November. We are talking of 7th March. There's no explanation as to why it's been that inordinate delay in filing this application. Probably it will be an afterthought. Secondly, Your Worship, even after filing it on Wednesday, there's no justification for serving it the following day if it was urgent in nature. They considered it to be very, very, very urgent. Prudence would demand that they serve immediately. So I wonder why they never served it on us. On Wednesday, the 5th when it was filed. Then they choose to file it, to serve it the following day, 6th, and late in the afternoon. Late in the afternoon. Now we come early in the morning today, expecting us to proceed. When actually there was no way to access the accused persons between the time they served and the time of the hearing. I think courtesy would demand, professional courtesy would demand that the prosecution should have been the one to ask for a standoff of the man with an apology. They should have been the one to do that.
So let me get this.
Most of them. Yeah, but if it were a standover, they ought to have asked for the same. To extend courtesy to us, to be fair to us, that look, we served you ready. Are you ready? We have not even asked. Very, very unfortunate. Would have expected that from this very senior chief, principal, state attorneys, assistant. That would be, with all due respect, professional. But that said, Your Worship, this will be an ambush to us.
We appreciate the fact that they were served with this technique. That is a fact. But wish to submit that as DPP, as police, these exhibits were received on the 4th of March 2025. Which was a Tuesday. And then, as a quick institution and a sensitive institution, we drafted the application immediately. And it was uploaded on Eclipse. We did not know that council is not on Eclipse. I don't know. I'm not saying that it's on Eclipse. I'm just saying I do not know, because after filing it, the expectation is that Eclipse does the service automatically. Actually, we are courteous that on top of Eclipse, we serve them with a physical or hard copy application. And I believe my senior colleagues should have been more appreciative of that. But as same time, we couldn't speak for defense to seek standover. Because we do not have instructions from Kiiza Besigye and the two coming here. We have no instructions, so we wouldn't speak for them. It is on that, Your Worship, that we would have no issue, we have no objection to the Abidjan bill. We have no. I think you can say courteous with that. But we are of the view that the matter be fixed on Monday. The application will be fixed on Monday. The reason for that, Your Worship, is my senior colleague has heavily submitted, my senior colleagues actually have heavily submitted on the need to have an expeditious investigation in this matter. And this is part of the process of investigation. Given the fact that it is crucial, it will be better, prudent, rational to have this matter adjourned to Monday and hand. So,
We are available. The application is pushing down our throats. But Your Worship, again, because we are now dealing as police, so to be collegial. He has said they got the matter on the 4th of March. And I want to assume that my colleague knows the application he has wrote, where in paragraph 4 says that they took over investigations on the 11th of February. So I don't know that's confusing. Because when you take over investigations, I don't reckon they took over investigations and they are investigating the file of things they didn't have. But that is the deal. So Monday, as is the testing, is not available. But also today is 7th Friday. The next day is Saturday and Sunday. Unless Your Worship will make an order that we go and attend these people on Saturday and Sunday in the prisons. But my colleague knows that the prison is not. So I don't know whether he's playing tricks. We are being collegial, whether he's serious. Because he knows, as part of the criminal justice system. Unless he's asking you to release them for the weekend, you see them at their homes, then we do that. But Mr. Evo is playing tricks. And we know that the DPP and the police are not victims. They rejoin. So we don't want them to come and say they want an adjournment to rejoin. Because that is what he's planning. He told me.
Just to get timelines for filing the affidavit in reply, then they rejoin if they so wish, and then we get a date here. And I think that would be the course of action the President should adopt. And bearing in mind, Your Worship, that there are lots of intricacies we face in processing the affidavit in reply because of the circumstances we are constrained, Your Worship. Even when we prepare the affidavit in reply, take it to Zira for signing. The authorities in Zira have to take their time to go through the same, and then they tell us, okay, you will come back Then the justice of peace, in most cases, will also have to take their time and say, oh, please wait, the justice of the peace will commission. So we need about 2 to 3 days to process that museum. And this matter is well known to our land friends. It's not that easy to have your affidavit signed and commissioned within the precincts of Kiiza Besigye. It's not easy. So we need to factor in all those aspects, those issues, as we work out the shape of ownership. So.
Today, by the time we court takes leave and then we get out of there, it's likely that the convoy will be at the border. So we request that we are allowed to speak to them.
I think that's okay, President.
Yes, and then we also request that the 14th of March, which is next Friday, save time, that we have Mr. Odiek Benedict, because we have heard that it doesn't exist. So we have the for him. We just want to see. I'm sure you have no problem. You want to confirm that it's not a fictitious and non-existent person. Do you have any problem? Before you leave, not the pronouncement on that one, on him being here on the 14th. I think it's the
He just said he has no patience, so I expect him in court.
You let him speak on the matter.
Your Worship, no problem.
And also confirm the worship that they will be responsible for bringing him.
What is the problem is that he will be here. Answer. The matter is that
You have given the orders that should appeal. That is, yes, they have been skinned. Yes.
But this is a criminal application which is arising out of the main suit. So yes, I expect them in court. Unless you decide otherwise. It's up to the accused person.
You are adding your own order, they are remand to protect.
On the other files.
Yes.
I get it.
And you should also, as prosecution, they should also reciprocate our courtesies to serve us with a hard copy after they have filed the case. There we did.
Do we serve at Nakawa or Workers' House or both?
Then the joint, if any, will be by the 13th of March, that will be the Thursday. And then the hearing will be on the 14th of March at 10.
You want to before context week?
Olwaleero tubadde tusuubira nti bannaffe abo banaaba bamaliriza okukuŋŋaanya obujulizi bwabwe bwonna nga bwe baalaalika oba bwe baalaalikibwa lwe twasembayo okujja wano, naye ekibaddewo mukirabye nga bagamba balina emyezi 6 teginnaba kuggwako nga bulijjo bw'eri nkola yaabwe. Era bwe babuuza emyezi 6 egyo mugijjawa, balabye bye bakalidde ku matama. Naye mu mbeera ebaddewo nga basaba bataddemu application nti baagala kufuna bwe bakuŋŋaanya bujulizi bulala, nga balaga nti bo nga poliisi fayiro bagifuna nga 11 omwezi ogwokubiri, naye kati batandise okunoonyereza, batandise ng'ennaku z'omwezi 4 omwezi ogwokusatu. N'obabuuza okuva Dr. Besigye lwe bamukwata nga 16 November last year, ani abadde abuuliriza era oyo abadde abuliriza lwaki si yabawa buifayiro zonna bye babadde banoonyereza obujulizi ne batandikiraawo. Bwe banga twogera ku state, kubanga state ebeereemu ne agencies zikolagana, naye bo bakulaganga nti obujulizi obw'abaasooka eri mu general court martial simanyi oba baddala baali banoonyereza nti bo batandika fresh, kati batandise era bataddemu n'okusaba nti kooti ebakkirize mu under Access to Information Act basumulule amasimu ga Dr. Besigye n'Obed Lutale, za Dr. essimu 3 n'Obed Lutale essimu 2, nga balowooza nti zina engeri gye zaakozesebwamu obukyamu nga bikwatagana n'omusango gwe babateekako wano. Naye nga okusaba okwo baakutaddemu ng'ennaku z'omwezi 5 bwe batandise okunoonyereza nga 4, nga 5 ne bateekamu application, nga 6 ffe ne bagitusavinga olwaleero nga baagala ewulirwe. Kati olaba abantu abakola ebintu mu ngeri ey'akasobeza. Kati tubiwakanyizza era omulamuzi n'afikisinga ennaku z'omwezi nga 14 lwe tukomawo wano okulaba nti application ye yeewulirwa oba ddala babakkiriza okubikkula amasimu ago n'okugyamu bye baagala babireete ng'obujulizi oba nedda. So ekyo kye tujjako wano ng'ennaku z'omwezi 14. Naye gwe omusango guteekeddwayo nga 28 ye mention okulaba bwe banaaba batuuse ne okunoonyereza kwabwe.
Kaso mulina nteekateeka ki okulaba abantu bano nga bafunako kukalembereza?
Twateekayo okusaba kwaffe kooti wiiki ewedde, era tubadde tujja tubasaba bannange mutuwe omulamuzi naye n'okutuusa olwaliro tetunafuna mulamuzi agenda kulira bail application eyo, kyennyamiza. Era twongera okusaba ekitongole ekiramuzi babeere bavumu ensonga baleme kuzeesulubabba, baleme kuzitya. Fayiro eno bagikwasa omulamuzi batuwe olunaku olw'okulira bail application, kubanga kino kikwata ku ddembe lya buntu, kikwata ku bulamu, ate batukandaaliriza ebbanga liweze. Kiva tugamba nti eno si prosecution naye persecution. So yembeera eyo gye tulimu, naye katwongere okugenda mu maaso n'okulaba nga tulwana okufuna obwenkanya.
Mu kuwumbawumba kiki osobola kwogera ki ku mbeera y'omusamu?
Embeera yonna yakutulugunya nga bwe mugiraba, yakutulugunya olw'ensonga nti okuviira ddala ng'ennaku z'omwezi 16 amateeka lwe gamenyebwa nti tebaagoberera amateeka ge-extradition, ne baleeta Dr. Besigye wa Obed babasiba ennaku 3 mu Makindye Barracks ebweru w'amateeka nga Ssemateeka agamba ssaawa 48, ne babatwala mu kooti ey'obusibira mu bbwa Kangalu kooti y'e Makindye General Court Martial gye mwalaba gye twalabira ennaku eyo za lumonde. Tugivuddemu General Court Martial tuzze wano ate kati bazannya jangu nkwekule, kubanga baali badde nti obujulizi buulirede baali mu General Court Martial bamutwalayo nga balinayo ki, bagenda baali batwalayo ki ekyo kye batasobola kuleeta wano, wabanga ddala baalina obujulizi obugenda mu General Court Martial bwe bujulizi bwe baali badde baleeta wano, naye balaba kati bali mu jangu nkwekule ate badda mu buntu tubukolomooni mu katemba. Simanya bateeka mu application, simanya baagala kusumula amasimu, simanya baagala bino, simanya baagala biri. Kwegamba obirabira ddala nga bintu byakupangirira byakujweteka bisango okwongera okukuumira Dr. Besigye n'Obed mu kkomera. Tewali kigendererwa kirala.
Thank you.
We shall live in peace someday.
Thank you.